Feeling overwhelmed? Not sure where to start? Or maybe you just need some quick decluttering tips? No worries. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you declutter your home at your own pace. Step 1. Make a plan. Grab a notebook and write down every room in your house. Next to each room, jot down the areas that need decluttering. Now give each area an urgency score. 1. Not urgent, can wait. 2. Needs attention soon. 3. Needs immediate decluttering. Once you've got your priority list, decide how much time you'll spend on each task. And don't forget to schedule breaks. Decluttering is hard work. Step 2. Start small. Pick one area with a high urgency number, but keep it small. It could be just a single kitchen cupboard, a drawer or a shelf, not a whole room. If you try to declutter an entire room at once, you'll get overwhelmed. Start small and build momentum. Step 3. Take a before photo. This might sound unnecessary, but trust me, it's so satisfying to see the difference when you're done. Step 4. Sort your stuff. Decide how you're going to separate everything. You can use 4 piles: keep, donate, bin, repurpose. Some people also add a fix or put away pile. Whatever works for you. Step 5. Start sorting. Now go through your items one by one. Ask yourself, do I use this often? Does it bring me joy? Is it genuinely useful? If the answer is no, it's time to say goodbye. Step 6. Deal with the keep, donate and bin piles. Move the bin and donate items out of the room straight away. It'll free up space and stop you from second-guessing your choices. If you change your mind about a donation item later, that's fine. Keep it. Step 7. Organise your keep pile. Don't just chuck everything back into drawers and cupboards. Think about better storage solutions like drawer dividers and labelled containers. Make sure everything has a home. Step 8. Do a final check. Look around. Have you put everything back properly? Have you actually decluttered or just moved things around? Step 9. Check your progress. Now compare your space to the before photo. See how much better it looks? That's the motivation you need to keep going. Step 10. Move on to the next area. Now that one space is sorted, pick the next one from your list and repeat the process. One small area at a time. That's the secret to success. If you're short on time, try these speedy decluttering tricks. The 5-minute rule. Set a timer and declutter as much as you can in 5 minutes. You'll be surprised by how much you can get done. The grab a bag method. Take a bag, fill it with things to donate or bin and deal with them immediately. Change your perspective. Look at your home from a different angle. Stand on a chair. Sit on the floor. You'll spot clutter you've never noticed before. The hanger trick. Turn all your hangers the wrong way. When you wear something, put the hanger back the right way. After 6 months, donate any clothes that are still facing the wrong way. The 4-box method. Walk into a room with 4 boxes. Keep, bin, donate, relocate. Every single item in the room has to go into one of them. Decluttering doesn't have to be overwhelming. Take it step by step and be kind to yourself in the process. And remember, progress is better than perfection. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.